So I'm talking really quietly because I'm in my hotel room. I'm gonna just talk normally, it's fine. My hair is very long, it's crazy. Tomorrow is a very exciting day. Well, today is a very exciting day because I will be an extra on Call the Midwife Series 11. So that's exciting. My call time is at 10. I had a really good day today until the very last minute where it all went horribly wrong. So went and saw my mum, we went for lunch, drove to London, saw my mate Sam, who I haven't seen for ages. We caught up, we had lunch, got to my hotel at 10, and my car decided not to lock. It decided it was not allowing me to lock it. So I've spent, what time is it now? 20 past 1. So I've spent 10 till 11, 11 till 12, 12 till 1. 10 to 11, 11 till 12, 12 till 1. I spent 3 hours sitting in my car waiting for RAC to stand up, for them to call me about 10 minutes ago, well, half an hour ago now, to say that they still couldn't find anybody and it was going to be about 2 hours. So I then magically was like, screw this, I need to try something. So I fiddled around with my car key again and somehow jammed it into the lock, clicked it a couple of times, and it magically works. Why couldn't that do that at 10 o'clock for me when I was ready to get into my hotel room and chill and have a nice early evening before filming today? Because my life sucks. That's basically the answer. My life sucks. I can't just have a normal day, and I can't just have nice things happen to me. So yeah. So I'm now gonna drink a cup of tea, have a shower, shave, ready for tomorrow, and hopefully get some sleep and work out exactly how long it's gonna take me to get to the studio tomorrow, which hopefully, if I've done my maths correctly, but we don't know what's gonna happen again today, it should be about half an hour away, and my call time's not till 10, so fingers crossed, it should all work out okay. I will see you in the morning. Good night. Don't know what the sound's going to be like because I'm boiling a kettle, but good morning. I am fully dressed, I'm still in my hotel room, it's 8:30 in the morning, and good night's sleep. I literally fell straight to sleep after I spoke to you last time. So today is a fun day. We're here in Staines. We're going to be working at Long Cross Studios for Call the Midwife, guessing for season 11. As an actor, you don't, as an extra, you don't really get much detail until you get there. So most probably won't be able to film while I'm there. But after I've finished, if I can sneak a couple of pics, then I will, but most probably not. But I'll tell you what happened later today. See you in a bit. Bye.